Hey everybody, want to do a quick video on how I get these motors in and out of my truck. Get a lot of questions on it from Facebook and friends and everybody asking how I get all these things in and out of my truck bed and into the garage and off boats, etc. What I got here is a trailer hitch crane. It's good to 1,000 pounds. Actually got it from Northern Tools. So it's got two leg stanchions over there to support the weight. As you can see, it'll lift this 200 Pro Max no problem. It's got three settings on it, 1,000 pounds on the shortest bolt hole, 750 and 500 on the end. I've had no issues with it picking up every bit of 500 pounds on the end bolt hole. Had a 300 Yamaha 4-stroke hanging off of it, lifted it with no problem. Obviously you can see it's hanging a 200 Pro Max on there right now. Works great. I usually do this solo, get these motors in and out of the back of my truck by myself. Sometimes can be a little bit heavy. My best advice is to actually put that lower unit in first. That way you can grab that power head with the crane, kind of winch it forward, and then you get that weight over that tailgate and just grab it with the your hands and pull out the lower unit and just swing it down. Usually works pretty good. Some of the smaller motors, the little 40, 50, 60s that I pick up all the time, those actually are a breeze to get out. Sometimes these bigger ones can be a little bit more of a challenge, but it's definitely manageable with one person. So yeah, just want to do a little bit of a video on how I get these things in and out. So let's get this Pro Max fired up. In case you're curious what it looks like, this thing comes apart in basically 4 pieces. So it's got the main section that goes in the trailer hitch. It's got the boom that has a bearing on the bottom and the top, so you can articulate and spin whatever way you want. And then it's got 2 foldable legs, so it does make it pretty manageable to get in and out of the truck by yourself and just throw it in there. I don't know, that boom piece probably weighs a good 50, 60 pounds maybe, but the rest of it's pretty manageable. So pretty cool. Like I said, the only thing I wish it had with the boom was just a little bit longer to get those motors in and out of the truck bed a little bit easier versus dragging them. That'd make life a lot easier, and if it lifted just a hair higher it would be awesome. But as you can see, it lifted that Pro Max no problem.